that site and do like, they might have like a flight from, say, LA to here. And there ain't nobody coming back home. It might be $200, but you flying private. So we on the way out to this helicopter. There she is right there.
You gotta lift the latch up, buddy. You gotta lift it up.
Oh, they got a helicopter right there.
46.
Nice.
5'6"? 5'6". All right, come on over here, guys. All right, so I've got 2 rules tonight, okay? 2 rules only. Number 1, please do not try to open or close any doors today, okay? I'm in charge of the doors. Number 2, no flash on your cameras. Right now, let's make sure all the flashes are turned off on your phones, please. All good? Good? All right, seatbelts. Okay, these are gonna go around your waist, flip into the side right here, okay? 2 of the shoulder straps, 1 goes over each shoulder, and slips down into the top of the system. Okay, so release it, twist the dial, everything comes apart. Good? All right, there are some headsets. You guys can pop the headsets on, talk to each other. Microphone has to be closed. It's a pretty quick flight. Take as many pictures of dudes you want. There's no flash. Cool? All right, let's get some photos of you guys, and gentlemen will take a photo for you.
We're doing one group. We're doing one group.
You said one group?
All right, everybody ready? And 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Let's do 1 more. 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. All right, let's get loaded up. Ian, you're in first. Lisa, you're next. Kevin and Tisha.
Yep.
Okay, you guys are next. Paula, Teresa.